everybody! Today is our day 2 here in El Nido. So last night it was raining so hard. We were worried because baka hindi matuloy aming tour. So it's good na these guys are here. Let's have our breakfast po. So, hi! Good morning po. So, guys, if you're planning to visit El Nido, check out RL.
Going now to for a tour seat. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Nice to meet you guys. Yes. See you around. Bye.
Secret Beach. Kapon Secret Lagoon kayo. Ito Secret Beach. Secret Beach po kasi from outside, kailangan nyo po maglahat. So mabato po yan siya kasi may mga incidenteng nangyari na nakaabang ng mga stonefish for your safety po. Tapos pwede po tayong tumingin ng mga Nemo.
Okay.
So ito talaga.
So, kailangan ng map.
Para makita nyo, may dalawang klaseng Nemo doon. Oh? May Nemo, saka yung Limonyo. Limonyo. Okay po. Tapos, prepare na po kayo, kailangan ng extra payment kasi meron po tayo mag-lock strike. Pero this time po, hindi pa natin sure kung kaya natin sa Secret Lagoon ngayon kasi part ko siya, ay Secret Beach, kasi part ko siya ng province. Makikita po natin mamaya yan. Kung wala ka sa ngalong, delikado po. Hindi po tayo possible.
Okay, tara. Best friend.
Hey, best friend. Hello guys. Welcome to the second day tour.
Yeah. So, marami kami ngayon, guys. Tama.
Kami ngayon guys.
Marami kami.
Mayong buntag. Good morning. Mayong buntag. Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Mayong buntag. Tada! Kaya kita ka ron para magbinom ka, guys.
Guys, no back.
Ay, ano?
Ay, connecting flight.
Connecting flight, baby.
Connecting. Gawas ng baso, Jake. Tatod.
That's right, eh. Wait lang, taon-taon.
Tatawari lang, ha. Kaya nangunat pa, nangunat. Baso, baso, baso.
So I have one of your tour guide for today. So my name again is Happy and this is my partner, tour guide John.
Best friend.
Best friend.
So this is Joseph, one of the lifeguards. And the guy there, that's Jong, and the former captain of Titanic, Captain Melvin. Looks right, it's a private place po, okay? So before you can go there, before you can enter, you need to pay entrance fees. So from your hotel, they didn't tell you, but so that's why we remind you here on the boat because we know everything about in the island. Okay?
Dala ba ka sunscreen?
So that is your lunch area. So one of your itinerary of Torsi.
Ako
So
ang
that's why
bata.
reminding you because later you ask me why you get me a money like this like that. You don't need to pay me. You need to pay for the owner.
Tara na, tara na.
Best friend. Baso.
Baso, baso, baso.
Baso!
Ano, sat na ng bibi na. Kay kahapon kay alive kayo karon. Nandito.
Pero si Genesis ay pang?
Pang.
Pang in the beginning lang.
In the beginning, beginning.
There goes the bed between the two lifeboats right there. So what we're gonna do is swim from here. So I need you guys to wear your flip flops or aqua shoes or anything that can protect your foot from any injury. As this area right here is a shallow area and then it's a rocky place. okay? We're going to stay here for about 30 minutes only. Okay, another day, another vlog.
Another day, another vlog. Gio, hi!
Hi,
Hi!
drone.
We're now here at Beach. It is called Hidden Beach because voice over.
It was completely hidden behind this rock formation right there. Yes. Ayaw, Gio.
Kita tulog eh, kay kita itong ano, sanina.
Higit si sad ba, no? Anong happy man ka?
Wala lang, masaya pa talaga ako.
Guys! Ipakita rin ng baso. Musta naman.
Hi, day 2. Lahat sa day 1, lahat sa day 2.
Lahi ang day 2. Hey guys! Hello!
Sir, for a vlog.
Baso!
Day 1, Genesis. In the beginning.
Oh, in the beginning.
Yung sa may sunod sa Genesis. Exodus.
So, dos, then...
Now na to. We'll see the
Exodus.
Exodus in day 2.
Okay.
We're headed to our next stop. It will be at that area. Like I said, we're going to Matinloc Shrine. Okay, so
Matinloc.
that will take us another 30 minutes travel. 20 to 30 minutes travel, okay?
Okay.
Sit back and relax and enjoy the view. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you!
Thank you!
Baso!
Baso, pagkawas!
Pagawas ang baso.
Yan, pahigda.
Yan, pegda mo cellphone yun, pegda. Yan, palinduga kalit. Ara. Ano ba to? Jurassic Park? Ha? Ano ba ito karon?
Jurassic World. Hi guys!
Hi guys! Welcome to our vlog. As the si...
Yeah, we can replace because secret beach now it's not possible. You can see that katungkuan ba? Bisayan.
Oh.
Ang sa bato, mag-splash ng water na ang secret beach nandun yan. So that's why we're not possible to go there.
Okay.
For our safety.
Okay.
Safety.
So, natakaroon sa Matinloc.
Dirito sa Matinloc.
Okay. Dito mag-lunch.
Yeah, lunch area.
Okay.
Magdulos na dyan.
Let's go.
Ay, di agi. Ligawas ang ulo.
Welcome to Matinloc Island.
May humble approach. Sorry na video. Stop.
Share yan lang.
Your Highness.
Welcome. Ma-crush hindi ko pa. Be my guest.
Mm.
Ano no? Dulo ano? Diret ah.
Saan tayo, kuya?
Doon po sa shrine. Ano po yung my baby?
Okay.
The fog's flying.
Jurassic Park. Uy, familiar.
For the vlog. Eh. Hello vlog, welcome to Matinlok Shrine. Si Sir Gio is kakain muna. So ako muna ang inyong voice over. Yes. Sexy. Everyone is waiting for you and you're taking your time, huh? Hurry up, but take your time. Yeah, take your time, but hurry up.
Okay.
Okay.
One more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's
Get some plate right there and then spoon fork right here. Yeah. So this is what we're having for lunch today. So we have sitaw, bataw, botani, kondol, and patula. Filipino power, rice, baby lobster.
Kuya, wala yung one that is the rice. Happy.
Amen.
Salamat, Happy.
Hi kayo sa vlog ko.
Wala mo nag-ampo ba?
Hey guys.
Best friend. Yes.
Kabalang para
Yeah.
sa ni?
Yeah.
Bawi.
Lady finger.
Bawi
Para.
sa unhealthy na gabi. Kagabi. Natural lubricant.
Dit. Paborito na lahat.
Una ka man din na.
Asa mga barkada?
Dili ko ka dili patay pa ni.
Ano man?
Yabok ko na manok ra amin na
Kumal
be.
mo barkada. Ala. Ang plato yung kuha pa nimo. Huwag kayo iiyak.
Dahil po si Sir Gio. Alata. Stop. Wait a minute. Diet po siya.
Go, grow, glow. Happy Nutrition Month.
Yes.
Yawan yun lang eh.
Divine governance system.
Saka. Ano si Beshi diri? Ha? Si Beshi.
Kule flower is the kule. Yes! Ilang pila ra ka tikang. Now.
Ay.
Uy, Jocelyn! Oh my God, ayoko na si Jocelyn Kimaka. Uy, Jocelyn! Kung iha pa, nakita tagusog kay, gamay na kayo.
Sorry na! Huwag ka na magalit!
Dami mong girls?
Dami kong girls. Wala nga. Jen.
It's been raining in El Nido, hindi ka ba nilalamig?
Palay dyan.
Te, marag mahulog imong sunglasses, te.
Bilis te.
Chikoy.
1, 2, 3.
Ah.
1, 2, 3. Point 1, 1, 2, 3.
Aha.
Aha.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Picture ta diri oh.
Saan tayo next?
Snorkeling or Kadlaw Lagoon.
Okay.
Sir, yung mandron ko diri sir.
Okay. Go.
Pangit ka aron na. Butas tutoy, butas tutoy, butas tutoy. Butas tutoy. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, so before we leave, guys, make sure you don't leave any other constructors we are not going back.
Wala ba ng chinilas?
No go
Wala.
check.
Chinilas.
Your partner is still there, that's good. Now, we're heading to our next step, it will be snorkeling. So from here, 5 minutes. Travel only, okay? Baso!
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So we're going to stay here for another 30 minutes, okay? We're gonna get swim that way to get closer to the coral reef, okay? Hopefully you guys don't turtle today because usually there's a lot of turtle here. After yeah, it's inclusive for turtle experience.
Nabili mo?
So, let's go!
Jack.
Jurassic World!
Mas King Kong dra. Oh. Oh. Yata mo ato dra kay parang delikado.
Hanggang sa dulo ng
Yan. Ang gaya puso'y wala ng nararamdaman.
Kahit magkapasama o kailan pa man.
Ako'y maghihintay sa galon ng pag-ibig. So guys, nabukulan na po, pero yung
Okay guys,
sama namin
sa El Nido guys, umulan, bumabagyo na po, pero magbabakasyon pa rin kami. Nakikita niyo ang ulan, di ba?
English, English, English.
To the left,
To the left, to the right.
to the left. Sa, I don't know, it's that island. It's a stone. Diyan po ginagawa yung Birkenstone. Factory sa Birkenstone. Hindi ako kailangan. Sana naman tinapatan mo. Ingot kayo.
Grabe yung ulan guys. Grabe yung ulan guys. Grabe good. So, para may karon, relax lang, relax. Relax lang ha. Relax na dira. Hindi natin kuhan. Natin kauban.
Wala siyang backbed, wala na.
So, kapit na mi guys. Grabe yung ulan guys, pero go lang ng go. Jurassic Park. Jurassic Park.
This is the replacement of the secret beach, which is Takadlaw Lagoon. So the highlights of Tour D. So we're giving you a chance to
Explore.
explore the part of Tour D. So if you want to rent kayak, that is the easy way to explore the lagoon. You can go there. Then the water there, it's brackish, like salted fresh water, and it's warm because now it's raining.
Okay.
Okay, so this is what they call the 7-Eleven. 7 hours open, 11 hours closed. So ito po ang mga ano nila, mga benta nila, chips for 100 pesos. Tapos meron pa sila Magnum.
Okay.
Magnum may drinks.
Ma'am, pwede dalawa kunin nyo.
Jake. Oh. Kuya, may ano ka, readers ka dyan?
Opo sir.
Magkano?
Opo sir,
1,000?
1,000.
1,000 daw, Jake.
10
Oh. 10 pieces. Okay. 10 cans.
Pwede na sir, ganyan sir no?
Oh. Pilsen na lang. Sige, basta 10. Salamat!
Ah! Baso! Happy! Happy, happy! Ito ang kapalit ng Secret Beach.
Search mo ko.
Happy photography. See?
Ito matangkad.
See? See?
Pwede ka
You want to hire a pornographer?
Yes.
Mother, father,
Okay, so it's already what time?
3:12.
3:12.
3:12, mother,
So
father.
we're supposed to.
Making everyone wait.
Yes.
What is that?
We're supposed to leave by now.
Yeah, because we still have one more destination to go, which is the Helicopter Island. By the way, that's the Helicopter Island, guys. And can you see this big island in my front? You see that?
Tonight we'll be happy. Tonight we'll be happy.
Hop, balance, balance.
Balance. Hey.
Balance, amigo.
Amigo, yung balance. Super kita. Ay, tulak.
Uy! May red horse!
Ain't nobody gotta tell you what you gotta do if you learn it.
Don't get loud! Let's get loud!
Okay, so ma'am and sir, welcome to our last tourist attraction today. So this is Helicopter Island, okay? So we're going to stay here for about another 30 minutes. Then also if you want to do snorkeling, inside that line is a snorkeling area, and also on the other side there's another line there, also a swimming area. Let's do whatever you want here, and then after 30 minutes we're just gonna call you, okay? Thank you.
Helicopter.
Enjoy.
Helicopter.
Helicopter.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay, so we have to go now. This is our last destination for Tour C. Helicopter Island.
Yaga ka. 10 seconds na ba? 15 seconds na.
Hope you guys enjoyed the trip. You guys enjoyed?
Yes!
Okay, so for now, we're heading back to the mainland. So it will take us 30 to 40 minutes travel home. Okay? So make sure you don't leave anything here on the beach area because we are
Sleepers. Sleepers.
Double check all of your things.
Sleepers, jewelry, cell phones.
Everything. Okay, say goodbye to the beach area.
Bye!
Bye, beach.
Ay, sa kadugay pa ng binirahay. In the middle of the night, my dreams. Hawa. Sheesh! Talakitik! Is very. Ayaw, wait lang!
Pulutan.
A few inches later.
Gusto niyo
tagal na tagal sa tagal ah. Tagal sa tagal. Pati karamo na. Para.
Sige na, uy.
April 2004. Kasi yung kasal.
2004! 2004! Grade 2 pa tayo na 2004!
Mga April siya. So, how many years na ito nilabay? Ang tanda ko pa.
Gusto niyo bang marinig ang mga kwento?
Alright, good afternoon everyone and welcome back to the Midlands. I hope you guys enjoyed the trip. Do you guys enjoy?
Yes!
Clap your hands.
Hey, hey! I got your hand.
Also, let's give a round of applause for our captain for keeping us safe and to the
Thank you!
And sir, on behalf of our company, we would like to say thank you for choosing our team. If you have free time, just visit our page, Travel Books El Nido, okay?
Okay.
And also, if you have friends or relatives that are planning to visit El Nido, just recommend us on Travel Books El Nido on Instagram, on Google, and also on Facebook. And also, Prime Minister reminders to those who can pick up a tricycle early at the morning. I included this only on the tricycle at the morning, but going back to your hotel is yours to pay. Got it? And
Got
also, before you leave, please double check all of the things and make sure you don't leave anything here on the boat. And thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your stay here at El Nido. And goodbye. This is John signing off. Bye.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Then, guys, for those who are willing to get some tips, by the way, tickets not necessary, but it's mandatory.
Have a good one, sir. Thank you.
Thank you! Gcash to, Gcash! Picture.
Bye.
Thank you.
Subscribe.
Mag-inis pa ta, magsaporo pa ta.
Hi guys.
40 days video. 40 days video. Huh? 40 days? 40 days video or 40 days video? Ikaw na ba? Malibong mong kabay. 40 days video or 40 days video? Oh, asa ba? Ikaw ba ganyan?
Today's video ano ba? For today's
40 days?
For today's
40
video. Ano?
42 days
Days,
video. Not 40 days. Hi, Liz! Ano mag-review?
Asa na ang review?
Review na review.
Asa may pwede mag-review?
Sa ano po? Travel Books El Nido.
Okay, so if you're planning to go to El Nido, book your tours with Travel Books. So Tour A was very worth it, as well as Tour C. So you'll get the best tour guides, the best pornographer, and the best friend. Thank you. you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Happy. Happy. Thank you. Best you up. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Back in the mainland, we are walking and searching for ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Sige naman mo kwenta dira, oy. Ice cream. Kwenta. Kwentahan na, iba na kwentahan na.
Ang 65 naka-NG.
Ako nabayad siya. Bayaran mo. O, bayaran ako sa 65 pero na ako yung madawat o wala?
Wala kay dawaton yan. Hatag lang mo tanan, wala kay dawaton. Hi guys, April na among local diri guys.
Pero ilagay niyo para makabalo ko.
Tawag ko lang, okay ko lang sa mating ko.
Gaya ninyo mahuman sila utang, oy.
Dami gabi guys.
Ah.
Dami gabi guys.
High tides.
Super fun. Ano siya, ang tao pero
Mag-research sa tabago kaon.
Namite? Ang sa ilang ice cream?
Siya tam is dairy. Cow.
What's this? Thank you.
Napil mo na siya.
Ay, kuya.
Oy!
Nauman nami sa mga island hopping guys. So, we're looking for dinner and then akong friend, Chinese friend,
Ayan.
Ayan the Pogo.
Ayan Pogo.
Ayan Pogo is
Looking for...
something for us to eat.
Yeah.
You know?
Kasama na chick. Gaya naman chick. Uy! Hindi makita na eh.
Dinner on him.
Sana all. Sana all. Saman. Kaya?
Kaya? Hindi na
Saman.
Price is for the week.
Tama
We
na.
don't ask for price. Filipino favorites, garlic kangkong, vegetable pancit, chop suey, chicken adobo, salatik. NA, none of the above. Kare-kare, watermelon sinigang yan. I've never tried watermelon sinigang in my life. Promise.
Watermelon sigaw?
Oh.
Kasi nakatry ka na.
Ikaw,
Oh.
nakatry ka watermelon sinigang.
Wala ba eh?
Wala pa. Ikaw, katry ka. Wala po. Putang, may imagine, wala po yung sinigang, gibutan nilon. Ano po eh. Ang sinigang, gibutan sa watermelon na, sinigang, gibutan sa ang watermelon, gibutan sa sinigang. Asa man? Sinigang, gibutang sa watermelon or ang watermelon, gibutang sa sinigang. We need to know for us to find out. Come on, Brita. Brita! Dinner naman natin ito.
Wala na naman, girls.
Ang girls.
Alas ang girls.
Pero na yan.
Doon ka na decide. Asa mo na ka ni? Ang watermelon sinigang, usa man. Isa man eh.
Sinigang, gila kong gina-curious,
Ah.
gina promise.
Mukhaan ba naman eh?
Watermelon sinigang. Watermelon sinigang. Tape, ginang watermelon. Watermelon sinigang, dapat na.
Manang watermelon sinigang. Chika, chik.
Gcash na niya yan. Transfer na niya.
Finally, may nagawa kayong tama sa buhay.
Basta akong ganahan. Karon watermelon sinigang.
A few moments later.
Watermelon sinigang. Bye in Chikoy.
Guys, so 40 days video.
We're going back to Puerto,
We're
guys.
going back to Puerto Galera.
Oh, okay. So, we're going back to Puerto and guys, that's it for our El Nido trip.
I don't know. Right?
Left, right.
Right.
Let's go. Bye po. Thank you.
Okay, guys. See you on our next vlog, guys.
One eternity later.
Touchdown.
Just arrived. Goodbye to my friend Cookie.
Tomadachi.
Goodbye. Thank you. At sa Puerto, guys. Balik na po ng Puerto. Okay. After 6 hours of traveling, so muna ang accommodation for 2 days. Gutom ka?
Ay, katungkuan ba?
Ay ka problema. Guys, it's 12:55. Busy gyapon sila eh. Sa iyo ba tawag ma? 8 mo tawag ma, no? We're going to Underground River tomorrow.
Yes, guys. So, watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Our vlog tomorrow. 40 days video. 40 days video.
Okay. Let's call it a day. Let's sleep and rest and
Good night.
good night, guys. See you.
May baso niyo.
See you tomorrow.
Yun, basa.
Baso ko energy.
Basa ba tayo?
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.